So in this video, we are going to talk about Hektoen Enteric Agar, or Hek Agar. Hek is another selective and differential plate for growth of our gram-negatives. Hek is selective for gram-negatives, and it is differential based on sugar fermentation and also hydrogen sulfide gas production. Here you can see an uninoculated Hek plate. They are green in color. Hek is selective for our gram-negative bacteria, and it is inhibitory to gram-positives. And it is inhibitory because of the addition of bile salts. We see bile salts in a lot of different gram-negative media because they are so tough for gram-positives to grow around. So Hek is differential based on these two different qualities. One is sugar fermentation, and the other is hydrogen sulfide gas production. We're going to talk about sugar fermentation first. Hektoen Enteric Agar contains 3 different sugars. It contains lactose, sucrose, and salicin. And if the organisms are able to ferment any of those sugars, they will produce acid, which turns the plate to a very bright, distinctive orange. Some people think it looks a little salmon pink in color. I see it as very bright orange. So a bright orange color denotes an organism that is able to ferment at least one of those sugars, lactose, sucrose, or salicin. Some organisms are able to ferment all 3, some just one of the 3. This agar is also differential based on hydrogen sulfide gas production. There are 2 different things in this media that allow the production of this gas. There is sodium thiosulfate, which works as a sulfur source, and there is ferric citrate, which works as an indicator. If organisms are able to take that sodium thiosulfate and break that down into hydrogen sulfide gas, the hydrogen sulfide gas is going to react with the ferric citrate to produce a black pigment. So when these organisms grow on this plate, you will often see some black associated with the growth. So that is a sign of hydrogen sulfide gas production. Some organisms are able to ferment sugars and produce H2S, others just one of the 2. Organisms that are gram-negative can grow on this agar, but that can't produce hydrogen sulfide or ferment sugars. They grow clear and really just look the color of the plate, which means that they look kind of green in growth, which is hard to see right here in this.